Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be comparing two popular mesh Wi-Fi systems, Google Wi-Fi and Amazon eero Pro 6e. If you're in the market for a Wi-Fi system that can provide seamless coverage throughout your home, then stick around till the end. And don't forget to like this video, comment below on which system you prefer, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. When it comes to coverage, both systems do a great job. Google Wi-Fi covers up to 1,500 square feet with one Wi-Fi point, while eero Pro 6e covers up to 6,000 square feet. That being said, if you have a smaller house or apartment, there's no need to invest in the more expensive eero Pro 6e. For this category, we have to give it to eero Pro 6e. The eero Pro 6e supports faster Wi-Fi 6E devices and network speeds up to 2.3 gigabits per second. Google Wi-Fi, on the other hand, is slightly slower with network speeds up to 1.2 gigabits per second. If you have multiple devices that require high internet speeds, the eero Pro 6e is the way to go. Therefore, for speed, eero Pro 6e is the clear winner. When it comes to setup and app, Google Wi-Fi wins hands down. The Google Wi-Fi app is easy to use, setup is straightforward, and the app shows you a clear view of which devices are connected and what their speeds are. However, the eero app isn't too far behind, and it comes with added network management and online security features. Therefore, for setup and app, Google Wi-Fi takes the prize. If you're looking for a Wi-Fi system that also doubles as a smart home hub, the eero Pro 6e is the one to choose. It supports compatible Thread and Zigbee devices and works with Alexa. Google Wi-Fi doesn't come with these smart home features. Therefore, for Smart Home Hub, eero Pro 6e takes the cake. Finally, let's talk about price. Google Wi-Fi costs $48 for 1 point, while the eero Pro 6e costs $549. For the price difference, we would opt for Google Wi-Fi, especially for those people with a smaller home or apartment. Therefore, for price, Google Wi-Fi is the clear winner. And that's a wrap. Both Google Wi-Fi and eero Pro 6e are fantastic Wi-Fi systems. However, depending on what you're looking for, one may suit your needs better than the other. We hope this comparison video was helpful in deciding which system to purchase. Don't forget to like this video, comment below on which system you prefer, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Thank you for watching.